I think the biggest achievement of the PREMSTEM team is that we demonstrated that mesenchymal stem cell therapy is effective in different models for preterm brain injury.
The key achievement of our group is we have developed a technique through which we could transfer the mitochondria from the stem cells to the injured brain, and what we have seen that this transferred mitochondria could possibly prevent this brain injury. Currently we are investigating the mechanism behind it, but in future it holds a promise that this transplanted mitochondria could possibly protect the brain from the injury.
I think the biggest achievement of PREMSTEM is that it brings together the diverse expertise from stem cell biology to clinical neonatology to make it really translational.
In my opinion, my team's biggest achievement has been the innovative behavioral studies, and I feel like they really opened up a new area in the field of studying preterm brain injury.
I think that the main achievement of the PREMSTEM as a group is standardization of procedure for culturing mesenchymal stem cells, preconditioning and delivering these cells in different animals. We can now compare results obtained on distinct cell types and in different labs to identify which preconditioning protocol and administration routes are more effective and lead to better outcome in encephalopathy of prematurity.
So I think that the most important thing here is that we have come together so many research groups in Europe and work together with a common goal to evaluate really whether these human mesenchymal stem cells could provide protection in a variety of different models, and each of these different models, they have their disadvantages and advantages, and that's why it's so important to combine these different models to see whether in which models these human mesenchymal stem cells are most effective. And I think that this has really started up a lot of collaborations between the different groups, and we really work together in this PREMSTEM network as a big group. Even though we may be published separately, it's still very important collaboration, a lot of communication that has started and been initiated by this PREMSTEM network.
So during the core of the project, we found several things. The first important thing is that we managed to image the full vasculature of the brain of small animals in 3D up to the microscopic scale. So we were able to see the large vessels, so arterioles and arteries, but also down to capillary level, and to be able to see the neuronal activity during task evoke experiments, for example, or during resting state experiments.
I'm most proud of involving parents in this research and in co-creation, developing a roadmap to clinical trial. And I absolutely loved working with all these brilliant researchers from different nations for one common goal.
PREMSTEM's most significant achievement as a group has really been that it hasn't remained just PREMSTEM. PREMSTEM researchers have brought together additional input from people in Canada, additional research teams in Australia, from Ireland, from the UK, and by building a bigger network, a bigger community, more capacity, it strengthened our ability to take this important idea of translating stem cells into the clinic and to make it more feasible and more likely in the next few years.